Welcome to the 60 days job ready data analytics bootcamp with AI. I am Deepan Roy with 3+ years of experience in data analysis. If you're a student and looking to learn industry level skills with a proper roadmap and in a structured step by step process, or you're a working professional and want to upgrade your career, this course is for you. No worries, you do not require any coding knowledge prior joining this course. We will start from the basics and move forward in bite-sized videos. At the end of this course, we will be performing real-time advanced level data analysis projects. Also, we will learn how to integrate AI to simplify tasks. In this course, we will learn about Python, cloud coding, statistics, and many more theories and tools. But before moving forward into the course, let's answer some important questions. Why data analytics in 2026? The demand hasn't just grown, it has evolved. While AI can write code, it cannot yet understand why a business is losing customers in a specific demographic or how to pivot strategy during a supply chain crisis. Secondly, the global data analytics market is projected to grow from $104 billion in 2026 to nearly $500 billion by 2034. Moreover, the average entry-level data analyst salary ranges from 6 LPA to 12 LPA, whereas senior level data analyst can earn up to 20 to 25 LPA. What are the future career opportunities and scope after completing data analytics? Data analytics is one of those skills that is a necessity in almost every industry. Finance, healthcare, sports, e-commerce, marketing, logistics, even politics and content creation. The major future job roles after completing data analytics could be a data analyst, business analyst, operational analyst, AI data specialist, analytics consultant, and many more. Finally, let's come back to the course. We'll start our course with Python. In Python, we're going to learn about variables and data types, then move towards function and also learn about the OOPS concepts in Python. After that, we have NumPys and Pandas. These are the libraries of Python and are used to clean complex data and analyze and summarize those data. After NumPys and Pandas, we will move towards Excel. Excel is one of the most important and basic tools in data analysis. So we have to learn it proficiently. So in Excel, we are going to learn about the basic Excel formulas, pivot tables, lookup tables, and also learn about newer features in Excel like dynamic array, lambda functions, and also know how to automate tasks in Excel. Let's move to module 2. In module 2, we're going to learn about SQL. SQL is basically used to connect to the database. Database, for those who don't know what it is basically a large Excel with multiple rows, columns, and even sheets. Here we will be learning about basic SQL queries, learn about joins, which is used to combine data from different tables, and so on. After that, we will be moving towards cloud coding. In cloud coding, we will be understanding how to generate Python and SQL codes, then know how to automate data cleaning and price the understandings. After that, we will be moving towards statistics. Statistics, we will be learning about mean, median, mode, and standard deviations, probability and distributions, hypothesis testing, and many more statistical fundamentals. Okay, till now, if you like this video and want to get into the journey of being a data analyst with me, please comment down below that I am ready to level up and I will understand how many people are interested in learning with me. Also like and subscribe so that you do not miss any further updates from this channel or any upcoming videos of this course. Let's come to the final module, module 3. Here we'll be starting with an industry level project. We'll be taking a real-time business statement and then analyze the data using all the tools we have learned by then and then presenting it to the stakeholders. Let me give you a brief of how we are going to do this. We'll be using Python and Cloud for data cleaning and data exploration. After that, we will be connecting it with the PostgreSQL for SQL analysis and then answering some business problems. After that, we will be importing the data in Power BI for data visualization. And then we will be building a presentation using an AI. And finally, we will be uploading the entire project in GitHub. Let's come to the final section, resume, LinkedIn and job page section. Here we'll be understanding how to format the resume, insert the proper keywords to pass the automated job filters, and then we'll understand how to upgrade the LinkedIn profile so to reach more number of recruiters, and also we'll be preparing for job interviews of top MNCs like Amazon, Google, Microsoft, etc. So now let's begin our course. First, let's understand what is programming. Let's say if we want to communicate with our friends, we can do it in English, Germany, whatever language they understand, and we are also convenient to speak. But a laptop or a PC does not understand English, Germany, or any other language. It understands only 0 or 1. For example, if we pass a current in a circuit, it can be represented as 1, and if no current is passed, it is 0. The number system which represent numeric value using only 2 digits is known as the binary number system. This allows microprocessor to process data with simple on and off command. We can represent 1 of decimal as 1 in binary and 0 of decimal as 0 in binary. But in case of 3, we represent it as 1 1, and in case of 4, we show it as 1 0 0. In a similar way, alphabet and special characters can be explained to the processor with the help of just 0 and 1. But performing even simple mathematical tasks would be difficult using binary number system. Therefore, to communicate efficiently and conveniently with the processor, we have the high level language. The high level language we are going to learn here would be Python. We will start the first lesson in the Python from the upcoming video.